Hi, I'm Chase Rose, Associate Wealth Advisor at Hixon Zuercher Capital Management.
And I'm Jessica Hinks, Senior Wealth Advisor, and we're here to give you a market and economic update for the month of July, looking back to the month of June.
Yeah, so to start with markets, markets were generally sideways in the month of June, finishing close to where they started. It was a good month for breadth, however, as technology sector, which has largely led over the last 12 months, pretty much lagged out of the blocks in the month of June, while the rest of the market really pulled their weight. Now, tech stocks did finish strong, but it's important to note here that small cap stocks, which you have large, medium, small sized stocks in the U.S., small caps are leading all U.S. markets so far this year in 2026, up over 20%. So just a reminder why you need to be diversified.
Yeah, not very common. And June market news was definitely overshadowed by some big IPOs, notably SpaceX on June 12th. So it placed the space exploration company at a valuation of just under $2 trillion. Reportedly, SpaceX's value is really derived from their reusable rockets, which is a near monopoly, and also their Starlink satellite internet network.
And Elon Musk also officially became a trillionaire, which I think he already was, just not on paper.
Yeah, I can't fathom the amount of dollars a trillion actually is.
No,
so
again.
a lot of dollars.
All right, now for our Florida news story of the month. A 85-year-old Florida man was arrested after deputies say he was street racing, going 125 miles an hour in a 45 miles per hour zone. I personally think that tracks really well, because anytime I'm in Florida, that seems to be how fast they're driving.
I want to know, who picked the race with him? Who saw the 85-year-old man and was like,
I don't know.
That's
He got pulled over and he said he was just out having a stroll in his favorite vehicle. So I guess that's just your casual Sunday drive in Florida.
Yeah, and he did get arrested.
He did, yeah.
As far as the market outlook for the month ahead, the summer months are historically slower for growth, actually, except July. Over the last 10 years, July has actually had pretty favorable performance, actually median performance of just over 3.5%. That said, the S&P 500 did reach new highs that first week of July. So time will certainly tell what the rest of the month looks like.
Now, as far as the markets go, earnings season is fast approaching. And with recent optimism about the stock market, as Jessica mentioned, earnings expectations have also been revised upwards, which is always great for stock prices, but it also sets the hurdle very high that stocks have to achieve when they're reporting their earnings. So that could be a hurdle that might not be fully cleared as we approach earnings season. And also on the docket is the Federal Reserve meeting later this month. A new Fed Chair Zuercher has been slow to provide any guidance as far as where we're going from an interest rate environment, primarily because of kind of a weird spot that the Fed is in with low unemployment and moderate inflation. And so markets will certainly be on the lookout for any information they can get their hands on. So with that being said, if you have any questions about your personal financial situation or your investments specifically, feel free to give us a call at 419-425-2400, or you can email us at hello@hzcapital.com, and we would love to speak with you. Until next month, Jess and Chase signing off. Bye.